Hi guys, this is Joony. Today I will share some recipes using green tea and coffee and almond and honey. Let me show you. I will make a green tea first. While the green tea musk are cooling down in the fridge, I will do some steam pack with hot water. Put some aroma oil. This really helps to open your pores before putting the mask. So these green tea cotton wipes are ready to put on my skin. It's cool enough and I got rid of the water. Can just put this. It smells really good. Green tea has a lot of vitamins. It helps purify your skin and also brighten. I really like to use this, especially in the summer. For example, when I finished workout and took a shower. I just washed off the green tea pack. I feel really fresh and clean on my skin. This time I'm going to make a coffee scrub mask with grounded coffee and brown sugar, honey, flour. I will use 1 spoon of coffee, 1 spoon of brown sugar. To make it a little stickier, I will use flour and gently mix it. I will gently put on my skin with a spoon. Massage like this very gently. This is nice to do like once a week to remove the dead skin. My last one is going to be almond honey pack. So I prepared almond, oat milk, honey, flour. 1 spoon of grounded almond. Some more honey to make it thicker. So my skin is really good condition now. To put this moisturizing almond honey mask, it's time to moisturize. It really helps retain the water inside of my skin. I really like to use it in winter especially, when it's dry. Over and over and over, it just feels good. I left almond pack for about 20 minutes and I will wipe it with a warm towel. It is really soft texture and it feels really moisturizing. Now I can already see my blackhead and pores feels really clean and my skin got refreshed. Hopefully you also have fun at home with those facial masks. And be safe. Bye!